We all have been talking about COVID-19 and how doctors are helping us through the pandemic. But how about a robot? Can a robot actually help us to fight through this pandemic? Sean Gardner, an AI specialist, has shared a video on how to make use of these factory robots to fight through COVID-19. Researchers at the University of Liverpool have reprogrammed the robots to perform experiments. This robot, using its arm, can collect samples, place it in the equipments, and learn the results using AI. This lab robot can conduct almost 700 experiments in a week, which could take an year for human beings to do. The experts say that these robots could be very helpful for the healthcare system. University of Southern Denmark was the first to use the robots to collect throat swabs, while Rwanda has been using these robots for COVID-19 testing and thermal scanning. See you all again in the next interesting video. Until then, this is Rohit from Ashtrix signing off.